years from now. But I promise you, when you learn, brother, you will be a monster. You will be a man amongst men. You will be that man. You'll be the dude that people like, hey, who that dude? Bruh, you not understanding your life right now. God didn't make this happen for nothing.
He sure didn't.
Shit, son, you special. Something, hey, you special. You are special for a reason. Because this didn't happen just by happenstance. I ain't never met this, I ain't never seen him a day in my life. I ain't never met him.
I bumped my head. I'm back.
You special, man. You special. You better don't fuck it up. You special. Something. You special for a reason.
Both of these boys, both
Don't
the Blunt
fuck
brothers
it
are
up.
special.
You are
They
special.
both are. I'm the luckiest man in the world. I have two beautiful sons. They both
You're not
talented.
understanding. You special, man.
When Kobe started doing backflips on his own, I
His
said,
younger brother,
I said
his baby
he could
brother.
do backflip. He could do. I said, oh my God, this boy is doing backflip. You know how talented you gotta be. You teach yourself how to do a flip like that. That's brilliant. This kid right here is gonna be a superstar. Kobe, he's gonna be a superstar.
There's
Guaranteed.
a reason for this. This shit just didn't happen. I could have been
Love my
anywhere
boys.
in the world. He could have been anywhere in the world tonight.
Tonight,
This moment.
I could
this
be in LA
minute,
right now. You know, real
This
talk. God
moment.
make sure I was here.
This minute. Shit don't just happen like that. This moment. This minute.
Blunts, we gonna take over. Remember the name Blunts. The Blunt brothers. Y'all see me brag about them all the time on Facebook. I brag about my sons. I put their pictures up. They're superstars in the making, both of them. I think he's gonna be a superstar rapper. Personally, I think he's gonna be a superstar rapper.
Nah,
He got a
this shit
certain
didn't
gift.
happen. Something.
He got a gift.